In today's fast-paced world, stress and anxiety have become prevalent challenges that affect our mental and physical well-being. Juggling work, relationships, and personal responsibilities can take a toll on our mental health. However, adopting daily habits that promote relaxation and mindfulness can significantly reduce stress and anxiety levels. In this video, we will explore 10 practical and achievable habits that you can incorporate into your daily routine to foster a calmer and more balanced life. Before moving on to the video, you can subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification in order not to miss new videos that will benefit you. Morning meditation and mindfulness practices. Engaging in morning meditation and mindfulness practices establishes a foundational anchor of calm amidst the tumultuous currents of daily life. By dedicating a few precious moments to intentional self-reflection, one embarks on a transformative journey towards enhanced mental well-being. Through the rhythmic cadence of deep breathing exercises and the deliberate setting of positive intentions, individuals carve out a sacred space for the nurturing of a centered mindset. This practice, when complemented by mindful habits such as digital detoxing and conscious transitions between tasks, fosters not only immediate stress reduction but also the development of enduring emotional resilience. The inherent brevity of these morning rituals belies their profound influence, as they imbue each day with a sense of purpose, clarity, and an unwavering capacity to confront challenges with a poised and balanced demeanor. Regular exercise for stress relief. Regular exercise stands out as a fundamental practice in the realm of stress relief, forming a pivotal component among daily habits crafted to combat stress and anxiety. Physical activity not only benefits the body but also profoundly impacts mental well-being. Whether it's the rhythmic stride of a brisk walk or the endorphin surge from a jog, exercise serves as a potent stress buster by reducing stress hormones and fostering the release of mood-enhancing endorphins. Beyond immediate effects, maintaining a regular exercise routine instills discipline and structure, providing a mental break from stressors and cultivating a sense of accomplishment. The cumulative improvement in physical health further fortifies resilience, creating a positive cycle that significantly diminishes the impact of stress and anxiety. In the pursuit of stress reduction, regular exercise emerges as a dynamic and indispensable thread in the fabric of overall well-being. Healthy eating habits. Cultivating healthy eating habits emerges as a crucial strategy in the pursuit of stress and anxiety reduction, constituting a foundational element for overall well-being. The impact of diet on both physical and mental health is profound. A balanced, nutrient-rich diet not only supports optimal bodily functions but also plays a key role in regulating stress hormones, contributing to mood stability and cognitive well-being. Maintaining steady blood sugar levels through well-balanced meals aids in preventing energy crashes and mood swings, fostering a composed mindset. Mindful eating practices, such as savoring each bite and tuning into hunger and fullness cues, further enhance stress reduction. Research suggests a nuanced link between certain nutrients and neurotransmitter function, emphasizing the potential of a consciously chosen, nutrient-dense diet as an active tool in the daily management of stress and anxiety. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule emerges as a pivotal habit in the pursuit of stress and anxiety reduction, playing a central role in overall mental well-being. The benefits of a good night's sleep extend beyond physical rest, influencing cognitive function and emotional resilience. Regular sleep patterns optimize sleep quality, enhancing the processing of emotions and stress coping mechanisms. Inconsistencies in sleep can lead to heightened stress levels and difficulty concentrating. Prioritizing a steady sleep routine and creating a conducive sleep environment contribute not only to stress reduction but also to improved mood, cognitive performance, and emotional well-being. This daily commitment to consistent sleep forms a crucial pillar in the holistic approach to managing stress and anxiety. Digital detox and mindful technology use. Embracing a digital detox and adopting mindful technology use is a pivotal daily habit for reducing stress and anxiety in our technology-dominated lives. Intentionally taking breaks from screens allows for genuine connections with oneself and the surroundings, offering relief from information overload and stress-inducing online content. Setting boundaries and practicing mindful engagement with technology empower individuals to regain control over their time and attention. This intentional approach contributes to increased focus, better sleep quality, and improved stress management, fostering a healthier balance between the digital world and overall mental well-being. Effective time management. Effective time management emerges as a key daily habit in the quest to reduce stress and anxiety, providing a crucial framework for a balanced and fulfilling life. Amid the relentless pace of modern life, mastering time management involves setting priorities, breaking tasks into manageable chunks, and establishing a realistic schedule. By creating structure and organization, individuals can alleviate the mental burden of chaotic schedules and overlapping responsibilities. Prioritizing tasks strategically not only optimizes the use of time but also enhances the sense of accomplishment, ultimately contributing to improved overall well-being. This habit empowers individuals to navigate responsibilities with clarity, mitigating stress and fostering a more balanced and fulfilling daily experience. Regular breaks and relaxation. In the endeavor to reduce stress and anxiety, incorporating regular breaks and relaxation into daily routine stands out as a crucial habit. The incessant demands of modern life can often lead to overwhelm and fatigue. Taking intentional breaks, whether it's a short walk, deep breathing, or a brief mindfulness session, provides a refreshing pause from constant responsibilities. These moments of relaxation, complemented by techniques like meditation or gentle stretching, not only prevent burnout but also enhance focus and mental clarity. This daily practice promotes both stress reduction and a balanced, sustainable approach to daily life, underscoring the significance of self-care in overall well-being. Cultivating a supportive social network. Cultivating a supportive social network is a vital daily habit in the pursuit of stress and anxiety reduction, significantly impacting mental well-being. Genuine connections with friends, family, or a supportive community provide an essential source of emotional support, fostering a sense of belonging and understanding. Sharing thoughts and concerns with trusted individuals not only offers cathartic relief but also acts as a buffer against life's challenges. Positive social interactions stimulate the release of oxytocin, contributing to stress reduction and emotional resilience. Prioritizing the cultivation of a supportive social network is a proactive step toward navigating life's ups and downs with greater ease and comfort. Journaling for emotional release. Journaling stands out as a potent daily habit in the pursuit of stress and anxiety reduction, providing a valuable channel for emotional release. The simple act of putting thoughts on paper offers a cathartic outlet, allowing individuals to express and process their emotions privately. By articulating worries and concerns, journaling facilitates self-reflection and insight, preventing internal struggles from intensifying. Regular journaling unveils patterns and triggers, empowering individuals to proactively address sources of stress. Additionally, focusing on positive experiences and expressing gratitude through journaling can cultivate an optimistic outlook. As a therapeutic and accessible practice, journaling offers a tangible way to release emotional burdens, contributing significantly to an overall reduction in stress and anxiety. Mindful breathing throughout the day. Mindful breathing throughout the day is a potent habit for stress and anxiety reduction. This simple practice, integrated into various daily activities, serves as a constant anchor to the present moment. Whether during work or moments of relaxation, intentional breaths foster a sense of calm and centeredness. Mindful breathing involves focusing on the inhalation and exhalation, providing a detachment from racing thoughts and external stressors. This deliberate focus not only induces relaxation but also triggers the body's stress response, reducing the production of stress hormones. As a portable and accessible tool, mindful breathing empowers individuals to navigate daily challenges with enhanced composure and resilience. Incorporating these 10 daily habits into your routine can be a transformative journey toward a more relaxed and balanced life. While it's essential to recognize that stress is a part of life, adopting these habits can provide you with the tools to navigate challenges more effectively, promoting long-term mental and physical well-being. Remember, creating sustainable habits takes time, so be patient with yourself as you integrate these practices into your daily life. Embrace the journey towards a calmer, more resilient you. If you found the video useful, don't forget to like and comment. To be informed about new videos, you can subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification. Goodbye, see you in other videos.